Manipur private arishang pingna PMJY with cashless treatment habok lui haurada chisha thaiga. MSCST with chairperson IAS Hongyo War Shangli nominate Saira. Illegal immigrants majut kakhui gala deportation sa Khawai Rajya Sabha MP na gagatongli former chief minister Tiren na gagatong Hongshokai. Ringyaophi aja Tangkhul Express Pvt pau Ringyaophi Ningshen ina ba midale pau bing may saina nganang roomsa. Manipur with private arishang bingna PMJY with cashless treatment hapok rihaura schemes chuwe reimbursement makami wuivang PMJY implement masala leisalala da kajang hiwe direct pangatang ngabau hairasai ka Manipur sarkar na tui mihai da PMJY ajingli kazat ngaha kami maya haira. Association of Healthcare Providers of India AHPI Manipur chapter we Chanpao Athishuda AHPI members ina Suman Singh IAS Manipur Health Commissioner achon trada akathang sampanga bending claims chi priority ina yangsang miragachi Health Commissioner na tui mihairachi arishang we pills reimbursement atam kasangka pan kahai wuivang sarkarna ning khariklak aina leya kachi hangda healthcare delivery li kahap maleilak thaklak aina thermi mikhavai sadalei kachi lahanga sarkarna commitment mihauda AHPI Manipur chapter na ngawau hai kasa PMJY treatment benefit suspension ji ngasam sahaira Kare withada PMJY beneficiaries li cashless healthcare service kami hapok li haura kachi pau mishoka. MSCST with chairperson Khawai IAS Hongyo War Shangli kapang sanghaira. Manipur Governor na jizu kami kashok athishuda IAS Hongyo War Shangli Manipur State Commission for Scheduled Tribes MSCST with chairperson Sada nominate Sahaira. Kalachi Manipur State Commission for the Scheduled Tribes Act 2014 with Athishuda Kasanaji. Jizu kami kate mararang lakay na tangda wuivang na da MSCST chairperson Othingaruchi Hongyo with present Chargely edition sada varag chihanga. Jizu kami hi governor with aming eina DN Hills with additional chief secretary na direct trada akatang mishoka.
First time in Ukhrul District, Rosella Nursing Institute, Kamphasom Tang, Ukhrul District. Admission open 2025. Are you dreaming of a rewarding career in healthcare? Rosella Nursing Institute invites boys and girls to enroll in our 3-year nursing course. Eligibility, minimum 40% in arts science or NIOS. Get high-quality education and develop excellent healthcare skills with practical training in 1. Foundation of Nursing Lab 2. Nutrition Lab 3. Community Health Nursing Lab 4. Obstetric and Gynecology Lab. Hostel facilities available for both boys and girls, affordable tuition fees, placement assistance after completion. For more details call 813-584-4591, 971722-8141 or visit us at Rosella Nursing Institute, Kamphasom Tang, Ukhrul District. Enroll now for 2025 seats are limited.
Illegal immigrants machut kakhui kala deportation sa Khawai Rajya Sabha MP na kagatongli Manipur Meitei Tribe Union MMTU kala former Chief Minister N. Biren Singh na kagodom Pongshok Hairang. Illegal immigrants maramli Rajya Sabha MP Maharaja Leishamba Sana Jawpa na Parliament li hangsangam. Myanmar kala Bangladesh na khara illegal immigrants pingli machut kakhui kala deportation thakta sakhmi poya. Kalachi state li census aina delimitation exercise mahapograng lakha sami khawai kabona. MMTU na kahang sana jobawe painganin chi kasangka pora kahai timan chithayam illegal immigrants ping raga somhi check makasana Manipur we indigenous mi wuivang kasaka threat ngasayada union jinahanga political party ping na ngateda kangrok hai sada maram hi wuivang khokha sakhawai group china kasat sangam MMTU na ST Leslie Meitei or Midei Zang Sakhawai Kapo Maram Hanglu Shithaira 2001 kala 2011 census tadali makamashung zangda sna jobana upper house li kahang census record li non-indigenous settlers kazangjina demographic figures ngachei mida regime now bingwi mashun undermine sahaura kaji hangsanga MPs na jawbana Ministry of Home Affairs we Karam Direct Tradichiko Directive Paning Ung Sakta Myanmar Kala Bangladesh we illegal immigrants Maramli Paikar Mikhavai State Pingli Tizikami Legahaina Kachihanga Kongnai Assam Nagaland Mizoram Kala Meghalaya na Chigata tribes Zadpokhaira Ka Manipurli Chiwi Maramli visible action Vatlak Aina Leye the Hangsanga Illegal immigrants Maramli parliamentary Hangasang wuivang MPs na Jobali former Chief Minister Piren Singh Ningashi Pongshoka Twitter li Bishokta Piren Nagahang MPs Kadeina Mahang Salala Sana Jobana Pinglak Ngaririk Aina Yaruiwi Ninga Krikji Kajuhui Maleilak Hanghaira Maramhi Administrative Terkar Kasamang Maningla Manipur Mipingwi Mashun Ngashan Kala Rakara Atam Safeguard Sakavai wuivang Nada Piren Kapisanga Manipur we displaced Miping wuivang Special Rehabilitation Package Terkar Kasamaram Rajya Sabha MP Leishamba Sna Jawbana Parliament Li Hangsanghaira The short we eina shim Joholaga Abam Ngadaitali Ngayin Zata Khalei Shimpur Bingli Kachichawe Kangacha Abamli permanently settled Sangasak Terkar Saya Gaji Hangsanga Hortang Kangasanli Sna Jawbana Gahang State to short in a Shimkur Tingtra Langda we mi Ting Hang Pangada Panga Shaturuk Hang Pangada Chishat Relief Camp Sak Shakani Hang Truk the Kanili Zingum Kani Langda Bamasakaira Property Sak Yang Mikhavai Gala Langpei Kavai Apong Shimanauda Atum Traka Shim Mahan Ungrar Laya Kaji MP Jin Hangsanga Atum kayakha in Hanung Sakavai Kathaga Special Rehabilitation Package Mikhavai MP Sna Jawbana Central Gala State Shokarli Pohaira India we Hangshni the Kajigo Independence Day Community Shirokwida Manipur Apam Daitali nationwide Har Ghar Diranga campaign Zathaira Campaign Juazingli bike rallies March Kala awareness Angranangi Kwikahaira Imphal bikers Thinka Apa Tradashini na Har Ghar Diranga bike rally Zathaira Jili Shaka Tumradashini na Manipur Police Department we Kala biker clubs Ngadaday the Eina bikers Sachishat Hangchishat Zanga Manipur Police Department Kala Department of Youth Affairs and Sport na Makhok Mida 33.5 km Har Ghar Diranga bike rally ji Hapta Kangje Bung we Eina Zathoka Flag off the Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Phala, Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Jewel, Kala Security Advisor Guldeep Singh Athumla Zanga. Religi Kongjom War Memorial Complex Li Vadanga. Chiribam District La District Administration District Police 87 PN CRPF Kala Assam Rifling Shikda Tiranga Bike Rally Makhok Mihaira. Deputy Commissioner Krishna Kumar na Flag off Samida Irawat Square Pabu Barawe ina 87 BN CRPF we writer Hangchiko Kala District Administration ina police we 30 writers Tumrana Patriotism Kala Koka Kasawe Janbao Mida Religi Dibong Kunauli Vadanga DC Krishna Kumar Nagahang Chigatha campaign jina tricolorly Mai Khaya Kasat Mida India we Manga Khava Kala Leikhaya Khui Kharali Otinrut Khui Khangarok Darkar Kasa Kasat Mia Ajay Pei Direct Rada Katum Thang Manipur na Patriots Day Community Governor Ajay Kumar Phala na Lakhya Kashi Pongshokhaira Sovereignty Ngakta 1891 Anglo Manipur Raili Mirin Chikat Mikhavai Patriots Pingle Phala na Thukmei Thui Kashi Khya Kashi Kala Tribute Pongshoka Patriots Day hina itumwi awongarawi heroic otsak Bir Tigenderjit Tanggal General Jirainaka Pogrambam Kachau Niranjant Subidar Longala Matrix Kateina Manipur Sovereignty wuivang Pinglak Aina Ngarami Kahai Paningung Sagada Palana Kapishoka Patriots Day Hili Itum Koka Kasagala Resilience Reaffirm Sada Nation we Freedom Kala Integrity Ngakhavai Jadyur Therma Makhaila Koka Sada Nganing Sada Governor Ajay Kumar Phalana Kasatsanga Independence Day Mangali Khangashir Sada Assam to Manipur Lairet Pam Jiribamli Security Maling Mehaira Abam Jili authorities na area sanitation security check kala patrols Zatalei da hanga Hang shini da kachiko India wi Independence Day wuivang khangaran sada aya Chiribam Higher Secondary ngriopungli full dress parade rehearsal khuika haira. Chiribam ni mitruk sagathat ochot wi eina high alert eina rashungda dalei. Ochot jiling sunda NIN suspect Khani Jujar District Assam wina tukhui haira. Deputy Commissioner IS Krishna Kumar Nathanda NCORT Committee na Security Review Kazip Pamhaira. Kazip Chile Senior Officials Chiribam SP Padalant Gadatay Dewi CO Pingala District Officer Ping Zangadahanga. Manipurli India Independence Day Mamayon Kavai Proscribed Armed Group Alliance for Socialist Unity Kanglebak ASUK na 12-hour statewide shutdown ngawawhaira. Asukwi shutdown je direct trada phanga thang thor pung thruk aina thuida ngajin pung thruk washungra pay direct trada phanga hi India wuivang na colonial freedom day ngasaya kha manipur wi mibing na pay direct trada madi thang Independence Day sada khuya gaje asuk na hanga group china kahang 1949 ta trada phanga thang ji manipur li dan na India union li jang asak kahaina China sada atam chiwi in a state hi colonial rule azingli raya da group China hanga. Asuk na kahang Armed Force Special Power Act azingli Indian Army na sakatat kung thot kami sakayang kami wi kachot kachang Manipur jumnaw pina pungra haira. Independence Day kabo pingli ngasung khawai local mi bingwi ina Indian Chorkar na proxy armies kasemla group China pen haira. Colonial celebration ni reject kasa district political kala historical identity reaffirm sada pay 15 shutdown ji mayon khawai asuk na yaruli kasa thaira. Manipurli nishali khangasun ot kasa saikorali kasaka measures khira gaji Director General of Police Rajiv Singh na hangmatin haira. Makhamashung police personnel ping zangda truck related activities li kazang pingwi tungli kasaka action khira gaji DGP Rajiv Singh na hangam. Maram hi DGP hina har ghar diranga bike rally li khamatwili kahangnam. Itum na taypai Manipur Police na achahon tang personal pangali suspend sahira. Duty li makhamashung kasa wuivang suspend kasa jili police inspector kala IRP wi jimadar la zanga. Suspension ji drug trafficking li khangasun mili jihomi khawai lupa kakhui wi case na dahanga. TGP Rajiv Singh na direct tra thang Imphal East Commando Unit Officer in Charge Inspector Ningthoucham Devta Singh wi tungli suspension order shoka. Imphal East Superintendent of Police Rakesh Balwal na kahang Department China Officer Madili la suspend sahira. Imphal East Commando Unit with Sub-Inspector P. Debson Singala Constable Tariq Aziz Thobal Commando Unit with Head Constable Muhammad Rakib Kala Manipur Rifle 7 Battalion with Jimadar Muhammad Amir Shah Atumli suspend kasana. National Highway 102 Indo-Myanmar Road li tukakhui nishalei kasapingli chuhomi khawai lubalak thuro khui hawa kala tukakhui narcotics chila atumna Hai hawa da personal ping juwi tungli authorities na disciplinary action kakhuina. Imphal li Khangriao 2025 Turan Cup we Group F li Indian Navy FT na mathamai thuida quarter final pam secure sahira. Final Group F fixture aya Kumanlambak Main Stadium Imphal li Ngariao da Indian Navy FT na Tura FC li Langkai khani akhai na yuhairan. Match Litra we Moirang Tempt Nelson Singh na Khare Langkai minute magada kachikoli zanga. Ka sailors shina second half li ngapan kuihawa kayuiji aina Indian Navy FT with points shini kada points thurugli lekasa Real Kashmir FC li ngapan kuihaira. Manipur we Tra FC we Shongsa points akamang aina kopsang haira. 2025 Turan Cup we group ngataday da we aina East Bengal FC, Mohun Bagant SG, Jameshpur FC, Northeast United FC kala Indian Navy FT hibing hina quarterfinals pam sampang gahaina. Kolkata, Shillong, Kograchar kala Jameshpur li knockout kachang hiwi tarik trada truk thang aina hapokta magada kathumaina dangda ngareo varang. 2025 Turan Cup Final Kolkata we Vivekananda Yuba Paradi Kirangantli Ngrewra. Assam shong kathara ko district thara ngarum sanghara kathar ji zangda state chili Chikatha administrative blocks hang madida chukko lei haura kachi chief minister wi office na chisha thairam ko districts kathar bingwi ngachaili chishat aya tharkat ka khani ache tharkat karachi phrase ka khani hili ko district thara matai ka sang eina grassroots li Assam sarkar wi governance mathamai nga sakra kachi CMO na Twitter li post sai ko district kasem hi rijum now bingli kankhana service nganai meda khuiwa khami administrative efficiency matha sang khawai kala public welfare delivery maling me khawai ka sana dang sanga ajagum phrase khareli tatraha gajang ko district thumrada chiko shoka haina ko district spingji land revenue developmental work welfare schemes Magistral functioned food and civil supplies, administrative matter, panchayat and rural development kala disaster management hikathawi pangshap leya. Ladluida ajawi kamtaya pauping. Manipur private arishang pingna PMJY with cashless treatment habokli haurada chishathaiga. MSCST with Chairperson IAS Hongyo Warshangli nominate Saira. Illegal immigrants Majut Kakui Gala deportation Sakhavai Rajya Sabha MP na Gagatongli former Chief Minister Biren na Gagatom Hongshokai. Achui Bao Hiling Changhaira Bao Nathum saikorali Ringyaophi Kalakamai Simik Shong Saseran.